Hey, I said I might as well take this opportunity to use this for a learning experience and an upload for content. So, I paid $1,500 2 years ago to be a part of a mastermind group. And in that group, I obtained a lot of different resources and information connections for different apps to use to, as a small business, get work done by independent contractors. And two of the recommendations, one was a known service called Fiverr, and the other was Upwork. And so I recently registered my business to do for some of the things that I specialize in that I could do myself as an additional income. Register my business, but haven't tended attended to it fully because of my full-time job. It's kind of hard, especially during this time. We're in the holiday season, but I came back on today to discuss a service that I'm using through Upwork, where through that service, and I don't know why I even went that route when I'm paying Rocket Lawyer $69.95 a month. I should be able to get an attorney through them. But anyway, I used Upwork to hire an attorney to do a service for me for my business. And I am so disappointed because so far I've spent 1,700 and I think $50, and the service haven't been completed. And in my mind frame, I'm thinking it may be some more, but things you don't need to apologize for. Top 10 things. I found this somewhere. 1, loving someone. 2, saying no. 3, following your dream. 4, taking me time. 5, your priorities. 6, ending a toxic relationship. 7, your imperfections. 8, standing your ground. Look, the bottom line is you owe it to yourself to become everything you've desired to be. Everything. Watch. You got to pay attention to people because they will try to take you for granted. And listen to my friends. I'm not the friend you're going to hear from every day. But I am that friend that you can call on any day. Know that, okay? And so, with that said, those of you who have a business, I am looking to form a circle where we can hold one another accountable and we can share one another's resources with one another that could help to build us up, and recommendations for life. This lady just don't know. I was planning on using her. She can get what I needed done, in the time frame that I needed it done with the least amount of money, and I ain't even asking for no deals. But don't try to gouge me. You gotta watch where when using Upwork, you can set like a minimum, like if they're a lot of their services is you pay by the hour. So I'm paying her $115 an hour. Now our last talk, I had two choices for 3 to 4 hours of work or 1 to 2 hours of work on this last little project, which I selected 1 to 2. I told her to drop a task and go on to 1 to 2. Then I asked her a question with regard to that. task being dropped, and then she turned around and said she was going, well, communication, I got to go do some more research. And in my mind, the questions that I'm asking, I'm going to actually go through and Google. So that, pretty much upset me. And at that point, I told her, what, never mind. Just continue on with what you're doing at the 1 and 2. Next thing I know, now I had a request for payment through PayPal, but it wasn't a name that I recognized for $500, and I declined it. Next thing I know, I see an overdraft on my account. Like, what? And I go in thinking I do got a little coins in there. I see this lady then charged my account $503 for 400. What's that? 400? 4.5 hours of work. Come on now, lady. Come on now. And I had to laugh at myself, in my remark to her or reply to her, because baby, I works hard for them coins. You can't just do that. That's not what we agreed upon. In that case, we could have continued on with the task that we dropped if you was going to charge me the 4 to 5 hour fee. So no. She messed up there. And then in the meantime, since hiring her over a year ago, I've come across a number of opportunities where I could have had this done at a much cheaper rate. So, yeah, she just don't know how bad she messed up, because I'm looking to build a team. My mind frame, my mindset, with how I roll, give me a task, I'm going to get it done. If I can't get it done, I'm going to find the people that can get it done. And so that's my whole objective here. And been a minute. Was on another route, but still under the same blueprint of having a system of care, but now moved away from, in a sense of family, for strengthening family too. Yes, strengthening family, but adding on a business component to the plan. For I believe in entrepreneurship, self-sufficiency, working towards my dream and not anyone else's. Thanks for joining me. If you're interested, check the description.